In general, I would say Thailand is one of the front runners in the region when it comes to SCP, both with regard to developing policies, strategies and legislation, but also implementing. Just to mention a few things, green procurement, they already implemented that 6 years ago and is now in the second phase. They are implementing the second green procurement promotion plan. And the first plan was focusing on the central administration. Now they are focusing on the local administration because they of course need to involve all public institution. Thailand has also implemented a national eco-labeling system, and a number of products and companies' products has been certified and they have got the label, but still it's very much in the beginning. And I would say also for green procurement, one of the problems is that there are not enough green products. It's again the big companies who can develop these green products and get them certified, while the smaller companies have difficulties.